Hey guys, Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited today because I am finally trying out Miche. Now I'm super excited because I actually had filmed a video prior to this, kind of going behind the scenes, showing some of the black owned products I have in my stash that I really love. And so it's even better because now I get to try out this product, and this is also black owned, so it just makes it even better. So let's just jump right into the video. So if you don't know, Miche is a product line by a black YouTuber, and she has a deep conditioner that I have been dying to try. But I'm not gonna lie, these products are kind of expensive, and I was like, I don't know. So then I went on her website and I saw that she has a sample box with every product that she sells, and I'm super excited because it has her curl defining cream, which I have been dying to try. So I decided to get the sample box and just kind of try out different products from her product line, and then especially try out her deep conditioner and the curl defining cream. So like I said, in this box you get all of the products that she sells. So it has a shampoo, 2 leave-in conditioners, a hair and scalp oil, 2 deep conditioners, a curl defining cream, and a hydrating and twisting butter. And in the box it actually comes with this card, and it tells you how to use the products, and it has step 1 through 5. Now her 2 newest products, which are the Boost Hydrating Leave-In and Curl Refresher Spray and the Bounce Curl Defining Cream, these are not on that card, so it doesn't tell you exactly how to use it. But I was especially excited about this because this says that it is a one and done product. You don't need a leave-in with this or a gel. So I was like, I've got to try this out. So really quickly, like I said, these products are pretty expensive. I went back on her website to see how much they run for full size, and most of her products range between $18 to $22. Some of them were sold out, so I couldn't see the price of them. So the first product I decided to try out in this box is the sulfate-free shampoo, and I actually really like this. It kind of reminded me of the Curls shampoo that I like, the Blueberry Bliss hair wash. It does suds up, so for people that like it to suds up, this does suds up, and my hair did feel very clean and it did not feel stripped at all. I'm not really big on shampoos, but I actually really did like this, and so I could see myself purchasing this again. I did enjoy this. I don't really have much to say about shampoos because shampoos are shampoos. It didn't strip my hair, so that's good. So I had a decision to make between the moisturizing deep conditioner and the protein moisture balance deep conditioner, and her instructions tell you to alternate weekly with these. So the protein moisture balance one, it's not a protein treatment, but it has protein in it to strengthen your hair, and it actually does say strengthen on the bottle. And this one says indulge, so I decided to use indulge. Okay, so with the deep conditioner, it has what it does and how to use it, and that's like across the board with all of her products. So the Indulge is an intense, super moisturizing deep conditioner for all hair types, especially dry, damaged, and color treated hair. It makes hair more manageable, softer, and healthier, which enables hair to retain length and grow. So the options of how to use it is like the typical deep conditioner. You leave it on for 30 minutes with the plastic cap, or you sit under a hooded dryer. And I decided to sit under the hooded dryer, and my hair felt amazing. First off, it smells so good, and it goes on like butter. It really reminds me of the TGIN honey hair mask. And so I looked at the ingredients, and it actually has a few similar ingredients like the raw honey, the aloe leaf juice. It also has, I think it was an olive oil. And so they smell really similar, really sweet. This smell lingers. Oh my gosh, I could smell it in my hair even after I had styled my hair. I didn't have any problem like getting it through my hair, and my hair seems to do better soaking wet, so I did like wet my hair a lot as I was applying it, and it just really coated my strands. And when I rinsed it out, my hair really did feel soft. So next I went in with the product that I was most excited about. I went in with the Bounce Curl Defining Cream. This stuff is really, the consistency, it looks really thick in the jar, but it's really kind of like slimy or like bouncy, kind of like the name, I don't know. But when I put it on, y'all, it felt so good on my hair, and I think I might have overdid it. I applied so much on my hair. I took it in sections, and I actually styled my hair for a wash and go. And it does. Bounce is a one and done styling cream that can be used alone to achieve the perfect balance of bouncy, defined, shiny, hydrated hairstyles such as wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, or any style where you are looking for amazing definition without the crunch. So to use this, it just says to apply to freshly washed and conditioned hair section and apply evenly, style as desired. No need to pair a leave-in conditioner with this product. For best results, allow hair to completely dry and set by sitting under a hooded dryer. So I haven't sat under a hooded dryer to dry my hair in a while, and I did just that. I sat under the hooded dryer. When I came out, my hair was so shiny and so like defined. Now, I did have frizz, which I expected because it is a cream, it is not a gel. But I had a gel cast on my hair, and I didn't have any gel in my hair. And so I was like, ooh, okay. So I took the diffuser and tried to kind of like stretch it out a little bit, and the crunch kind of left. But y'all, my hair was so soft. So these are the results. This is day 2 hair actually. I had it in a pineapple overnight and took it down. But throughout the day when I wore it in a pineapple, I kept feeling my hair, and I was like, my hair is soft. Like, and so I wanted to kind of give it some time just to see if that moisture and softness was still there, and it is, y'all. So I don't even mind the frizz from the cream because my hair was just so soft. I was like, what did she put in this? And I do have a lot of definition actually with the frizz, so that like makes it even better because I don't mind a little frizz as long as I can see some defined curls. So I'm not mad at this product at all, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna splurge and spend the $22 and get the big jar because this jar is $22. I don't know if I mentioned, but the sample sizes all are 2 ounces, and I still have half of this jar left, and I overdid it. I'm not gonna lie, I overdid it. So a little does go a long way, but y'all, this stuff feels so like my hair feels so good. I wish y'all could feel it. It feels so good. Now, the smell of this, it's very like faint and kind of, I don't know, but the smell of the deep conditioner still came through past the smell of this. That deep conditioner smells so good, y'all. My hair still smells like it. Oh my gosh. So the last thing I tried, and I didn't do a lot because my hair really just did not need it, but I tried the Dehydrating Leave-In Curl Refresher Spray. It says that it is a multi-purpose, nutrient-rich leave-in curl refresher spray. Boost works simultaneously to moisturize, detangle, hydrate, refresh, nourish your hair, leaving it feeling soft and manageable prior to styling. It says that it works as the perfect leave-in conditioner for those who prefer lightweight leave-in conditioners but still want moisturized hair. And to use it, it says to apply to clean, damp, or dry hair and style as desired. It works great as a foundation under styling products. And then as a refresher spray, use anytime you want to refresh, restyle, or add hydration to your hair. So I had a lot of frizz right here in the front, and I actually did spray this after I took it out of the pineapple, because this is just a spot that when I do my hair, if I'm using a gel, I use more gel than leave-in just up here because it always frizzes. I do not know why. So I actually sprayed a little bit of this and it kind of refreshed it. And it is not a watery spray. And when I say that, I mean like it comes out creamy and you can see the cream. Like, it is not a watery spray by any means. And so I really think that that makes it a really good spray to definitely like refresh your hair. Like in the morning, if I take it out of the pineapple, I have no problem doing this, and I know my hair won't frizz up. It's very creamy, very milky. And I was reading the ingredients because most of the times when I have refresher sprays or leave-in sprays like this, the first ingredient is water, and those are really watery. But this one says distilled water infused of aloe juice and rosemary. So I don't even know if that's the difference, but I like it. I love the way it feels on my hair. Oh my God, it even just feels so smooth in my hand. I don't know. I don't think any of her other product smells can beat that deep conditioner. Overall, that deep conditioner and the curl defining cream, y'all, life. Those two are really awesome. Now, I'm not gonna say I like this deep conditioner over my Honey Hair Mask by TGIN, but it's a close second. But that curl defining cream, y'all, think I'm in love. So that's it, y'all. That is my thoughts on this product. Now I'm going to jump and quickly show you some other products in my stash that are Black owned that you might be interested in using or curious about. And the good thing about these products is 99% of these I've already used and have a video here on my channel reviewing them and showing how I use them.
Okay guys, so here are some of the products that I have. The first brand that I've been trying for years and I love is Eden Body Works. The other products I have by them I do not have right now, but I do have the Hydration Custard, which I really like. This is so good, and it actually was a part of my fall and winter hair care series. That product is really amazing. Next is Mix Chicks. I just absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. It is so good, and I actually don't even use it as a leave-in. This was also in one of the videos from my fall and winter hair care series. Next brand that I absolutely love is Curls, and surprisingly I only have 2 products in my stash right now by them, but I love the Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly, and I also love the hair wash that goes with this. It is so amazing, and the deep conditioner. But I have used Curls since the beginning of my hair journey, and that was like years and years ago. The next line that I have been getting interested in is the Jane Carter. So this is something that is in my collection that I'm actually going to try, and I've heard really good things about this brand, so that's why I wanted to try it out. The next one is Camille Rose. Y'all, when I say I am in love with this curl maker gel, it is life. This is another brand that I've actually used quite a few products from their product lines, and I love it. Next is Design Essentials. I have used quite a few Design Essentials products. I actually did a 1-product wash and go with the curling cream they have, the avocado, and I can't remember exactly what it was called, but it's a curling cream. Actually did a 1-product wash and go with that one, and I think I mentioned this custard in my favorite creams and custards video. The next brand I have a whole bunch of is TGIN. I recently did a review on this rose water line, and I've talked about this custard and this moisturizer as well as the deep conditioner. I am out of the deep conditioner currently, but that is something I absolutely love. And last but not least, I have my Elle Organics. I have so many of these products because of her recent sale, but I absolutely love most, if not all, of the products in her collection. There's some I still haven't tried, like the Moisture RX line. I only had the moisturizing overnight conditioner from that. But like I said, there's so many products I want to try, so many brands I want to try, that it's hard to try everything. But these are the ones that I've tried and loved, or will be trying soon. Like I said, this Jane Carter, I haven't tried it yet, but I will be trying that soon. I have some that are not Black owned anymore, so I did not mention those, but yeah.
So that's it, guys. That's all for this review. I hope this was helpful. If you've tried this brand, let me know. Like I said, I will leave her YouTube link down below if you want to see her use her products and talk about them and style her hair, because she has very beautiful curls. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I am going to actually keep using these. I'm going to try out some of the other products. Since I've been working on twist outs, I am going to use the leave-in conditioner and the twisting butter, the Lavish leave-in conditioner, and the quenched hydrating twisting butter. I will be trying these out. If you are new, please feel free to subscribe. It's free. It's free. It costs you nothing to hit that button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified anytime I post a new video. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.